Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Nvda, AMD, and Tesla on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So let's go right to the daily chart of Nvda. 26 million on the day, so it's a pretty good showing. I mean, not the worst, not the best, but it's been better. I mean, it's been, gosh, Friday or Thursday, Wednesday, it was like nothing. But big one with this one, guys, it did hold the 20 MA. So if you're bullish still, you're still okay. But it did have a little bit of a slide today. We had a little follow through from Friday's action, so you got to be aware of that. We did close right on the 618, which is one of the big retrace levels, and we did close above the 20, like I said, still above the 50, still above the 200, still okay. Inside bar, bearish pattern, no starting to slide. So let's see what happens with the markets tomorrow. I think we have some lip service from Janet Yellen, so we'll see what she has to say about data, basically. So let's watch this pattern. Let's see if we come in, maybe we go sideways again. So it'll be a bearish pattern and a bearish pattern. So bullish, double top, then possibly 175 to 180. Bearish, this thing slips, cracks these lows. You're looking at the 50 MA. I still think 200 MA is possibly in play. You have big gap fill, gap window. We'll see how it reacts if it comes down, starts sliding. So weekly chart, let's just go into that real quick. We had the weekly close. Just wanted to show you we had a little bit of a topping tail here and here as well. A little bit. Let's see where we closed on Friday. We closed somewhere down in this area, 144. I'm even going to go a little bit lower, 142. Gosh, this could be on its way down, guys. 119 would be the first stop right here. Got a couple gaps to fill, but beware. Bulls, you got to get it back to the highs, 168.76, and then possible higher prices. All we need, good earnings, some news, maybe a couple upgrades. This thing will come right in. Like always, guys, with AMD, Nvidia, Tesla, they're all the same. AMD, love the stock as a trading stock. Bam, right back up to these highs. We did close above this on a weekly close. We talked about that in our video over the weekend, and now we're still above there. This is the weekly. Got to see if we follow through to the 1555 area, or do we come right back into this channel? Let's go to the daily really quick. Down a little bit after hours, 12 cents, no big deal. But yeah, so we're almost back into this channel again. So we had this lower range and this higher range. We tried getting through it, came in, tried it again, came in, tried it again. This was looking pretty good, guys, and now boom, we're right back. Still bullish. Let's see if we go sideways more. This is starting to get bullish. If we stay above here, 20 MA curls into price, that could set this thing off to have higher prices to come. If this cannot hold on to the trend line, the 50 or the 750 retrace, and I believe that was the gap. Yep, the gap fill right there. Let's see if we're back below it now, guys. Let's see if it slides tomorrow and comes right back in. If so, let's do this. We're going to take that. We're going to put a new fib in here. This low and this high this time. If this is the high, if it breaks up, then we'll have to take that out. But it's 250, 382, 50, 618 right at this lower trend line, which is the channel that this thing has been going in. So watch for that, guys. What a run. It's a trading stock. You got to think, guys, you buy around here, $11.50, it gets almost to $14.50, $3. There's going to be some profit taken. It's going to go right back down and then right back up. So it's a beautiful trading stock, guys. That's all I'm saying. If you're on StockTwits, I always post stuff on here, mostly bearish because I know how all you bulls are. But, guys, just watch out. Light volume again. This thing's pulling back a little bit. It's going to be a market trade. Markets pull back. This will pull back. Markets move higher. This should move higher, unless, of course, it gets news. That's the only thing that will happen with this one. But right now, still bullish. Let's see if we set up a pattern, or we come right in, or we start going for the $15, 1555 area on AMD. Again, volume kind of disappeared today, so watch out for that. Let's go into Tesla. So Tesla, guys, it came in pretty good, $5.96. We're right back at 377.49. So just chopping around here, guys. You know, gets up here, everyone buys puts on this move down, then they bring it right back up, and then they chop around and just kill everybody. Still above the 20, the 50, and the 200 moving average, so we're still okay. Still looking at that $400 area. But bullish patterns tend to fail at highs. If this pattern fails, then we're looking for, you know, all the support areas, gap fill, 20 MA. Big area, though, is this trend line. If we get back below the trend line on Tesla, prices say 359, 350 to 357 or so. Still have the 20 MA here at the 363, but this starts following through on today's action, let's go to the 10-minute. 10-minute chart. I mean, we gapped up a little bit. Look at that fall. I mean, we just came right in. Some volume came in, and then we, of course, popped up when everything else popped up. We caught this little pivot here. Look at that great trade, guys. That was good. I wasn't around this morning, so I didn't do too much. So, look, yeah, there's some good trades today. I didn't think we'd get this. We did. Nice little retrace, came right back in, popped up, and closed towards the lower range. So we're a little bit lower intraday, but let's see if we can continue down. Tomorrow's close is going to be important. The weekly close especially as well. I want to see weekly close up in here, guys. It's got to start. It's got to start going, you know, to 400. I mean, if it goes sideways, it's still okay. 20 MA is almost in the price, but this should start helping this thing. If it comes right in and gets below that, look out. Just tighten the stops. Take some profits off the table. You know how the stock is, guys. It will pull back, and you'll get another bounce eventually. So don't be a pig. If you're in this thing from 240, 180, oh my gosh, you got to take something off the table. Anything. So take a quarter position off, or at least half. Let it pull back 20, 30 bucks. Buy again if you're long term. You just pick up 30 bucks, and you honestly might pick up 70 bucks here. I have no problem seeing this thing. If we go to the Trump lows, we're not going to 180, I don't think, but you know, 250, 253, 200 MA here. So Tesla bulls, I don't care about the company or what it does. I just look at the charts. So charts on this one, if you go to the monthly chart, that's the high flying chart that I look for. It's just a high flyer, guys. 200 MA is too low down here. Eventually it will be coming in. When? This could be it, guys. So if we make it to 400, if you are long, tighten those stops up. Just protect the trade. You know, take half off. Comes back down 100 bucks, buy it again. Or buy half or a quarter position of the half you took off. Comes down a little lower, put it all back in again. You might gain 100 bucks on this one. That's all I'm saying, guys. I'm a trader, more short-term swing trader, scalp, you know, during intraday. Go to StockTwits. I post trades on there. And then my Twitter page, I have some trades on there as well. So, all right, guys, if you like these videos, go to StockBookie.com, sign up for the free membership, and become a member, guys. It's free. And also, I really appreciate it, guys, coming by, watching my videos. I really do. I enjoy making them for you, and hopefully I'm helping some of you guys out there. But again, guys, thanks again for watching. God bless. See you on the charts.